Hello again. In this particular video, we are going to see how to describe the language related to the time or duration. In this series of lexical resource, um, previously we saw something related to trained. Okay, so in this series, we are going to discuss the vocabulary related to each section one by one, right? So let's see this list here. So for year, month, or we can use century, half century, a decade. So first is for. When we talk about the duration, we can use for. Sometimes we can use since if we have a fixed time. Like since then, the population has been consistently increasing, right? And we can use in before the year. These are the basic rule of preposition. We can use in before the month. And then for duration, we have got a different type of words. From 2008 to 2014, we have used it many times so far in our writing. Between 2008 and 2014, throughout the entire whole period, over the next 5 years, following 5 years. From that point, you can write, for example, you have given an example of up to 2005. So then you can say from that point, if you're talking ahead of this, if you say at that point, when you're just talking about the same year, so there's a difference. um, for beginning, for middle, for end, that way you can write down. So again, we are talking about the time. For beginning, there was no change. That way you can write at the beginning of a period. Perhaps you're talking about the duration between 2 years at the start of the period, right? If you're talking about the entire time range, you can begin it with this. For next 5 years, that is, you can add this as well. By the end, at the end, in the final year of the month, there is a bit of difference. By the end, you mean that you mean to say that by that particular time something would have happened, will have happened. At the end means exactly you're talking about the time. In the final year, perhaps you're talking about a particular year or month. So these are some of the time expressions or duration expressions that can be used for writing. There can be many. You can pick from the example, or I'll give you the example in the end where I will highlight all these kind of expressions. So again, they can help you in understanding what kind of language can be used in that series. Well, that's all for this particular video. In next video, we will see some another type of vocabulary related to IELTS Writing Academic 1. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.